Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm Felicia Waugh with Gateway Real Estate, and today I'm going to give you 3 quick winter home maintenance tasks. So the first one is to conduct home computer maintenance. This is an easy one because it's inside and it's really nasty out these days, so just super quick and easy. Back up your important files, use a surge protector or like a power cord, extension cord that has the surge protector in case the power goes out. And then update any of your antivirus programs and complete all other system updates that are recommended. The second maintenance task is to keep emergency supplies on hand, especially in your car. So that would be jugs of fresh water, canned food, batteries, flashlights, candles, first aid kits, a manual can opener, because some of us don't have those these days, and matches. So this is all really important stuff to just keep on hand in case the power goes out and you're left a number of days without any electricity or heat sources and things like that. Of course, you could go way overboard and get a lot more stuff than that, but that's just some easy stuff that you could grab. Home maintenance task number 3 is to check your programmable thermostat. So if you have a programmable thermostat, that's a mouthful, you could have a potential savings of $150 a year, which is pretty huge. You just need to update your schedule for winter conditions, and it's really easy if you just go online or call the toll-free number. It's not very fun, but it could save you quite a bit of money in your pocket. So these are 3 quick winter home maintenance tasks that you can knock out no problem with a quick trip to the grocery store, a little click on your computer, and call the toll-free number. I hope that this is helpful to you. And again, I'm Felicia Waugh with Gateway Real Estate. Please, if you would, subscribe to my channel or give me a follow or a like. Let me know which one was most helpful and maybe some of your best home maintenance tasks. Thanks, Felicia Waugh, Gateway Real Estate.